we'll start opposite. Okay, we'll start opposite, like we'll start from the backwards. Okay, we'll start from the backwards. We have completed group 15 to 18, correct? Group 15 to 18. So I'll start from group 18. Okay, we will see first what have question comes in the group 18. So we will start from group 18, question C. Okay, then we'll go onwards 18, 17, 16, then 15. Okay, so first let us start with the group 18 question. Now I want your complete focus, complete attention on the screen. Yeah, let us try the questions and let us see if we can do it. So first, let me take an easy one. This you might have done in the class assessment already, but I want you to solve it. This is NEET 2020 question, NEET October 2020. So match the compounds of Xc in column 1 with the molecular structure in column 2. So structure, Sarjana, first tell me, how do we know the shape of any structure? Prashanti, with which theory we find out the shape of any structure? Yes, Ragul, Sarjana. How do we know any structure? Like, what is that theory that we used? That we have solved so many questions accordingly. Yeah. What is the short form of that, Prashanti? Division is coming out. Yes, Arjuna, what was it? Correct, Prashanti. Very good. It is VSEPR. Okay, VSEPR. Chalo, fatafat. Try this VSEPR. Okay, we have first start with XeF2, or always be smart enough and look at the options. Do we have to solve XeF2? Sarjana, Prashanti. Do we have to solve it? No, it is already given. Each and every option XeF2 is linear. I don't even understand why do they even give the option. Yeah, so you have to solve the XeF4. Okay, you have to solve the XeF4. Come on, let us solve the XeF4. Come on, according to VSEPR, can you try? Prashanti, Sarjana. Yeah, come on, try. If you get any doubt. Okay, very good, Sarjana. XeF4. XeF4. Good evening, Sasidharan. Why are you late today? Okay, Prashanti say 1. Prashanti, for XeF4 you are telling me 1, or for the answer you are telling me A? Sasidharan, am I audible? Okay, you are an extra class in school. Okay. So Sasidharan, what are we doing today? As discussed in the last class, today exclusively only PYQs and the important questions from the reference book. That is what we are doing today. So I want your complete focus today. Very important lecture. Take out your book, take out your pen and start. Okay. Prashanti is solving the other. We'll wait. Sajna, yes, your answer is correct. And one more important thing. When you'll write the answer in the chat box, no, make sure that you select my name over there. Okay, do not send it in all chats. Okay, all chats means it is visible to everyone. If you select my name over there, it will be visible only to me. Okay. Chalo. Try this. Now Sasidharan, do not try the first one, A1, because in all the options it is A2 given. You do not have to solve it. So XeF2 is linear, we know. So according to VSEPR, Sasidharan, come on, tell me XeF4. If you solve XeF4, you may get answers. XeF2 is linear. Okay. Which one, Prashanti? The third one, C1. Which is square pyramidal? XeF4. You are talking about square pyramidal. We are asking about the shape. Yeah, shape, not the geometry. How you can make a square pyramid? For pyramid, you require a fifth element also, no? But yes, Sasidaran, did you get it for XCF4? Chalo, I'll help with the one, then you do the rest. Okay, XCF4, XE. Acha, you told for XCF4. That is what I'm saying, no? Square pyramidal. For the pyramid, you require one more element. Okay, look over here, look over here. Sarjana, Prashanti, Sasidaran, XE. Correct? XE, how many valence electrons? Sasidaran, Prashanti, Sarjana in XE. Yeah, how many valence electrons I'll take? Prashanti, I'll select 8 valence electron, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have drawn these 8 electrons. Fluorine, fluorine, 3, 4. Correct? Fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. Remaining are the lone pair, lone pair. So the number is what? Bond pair plus lone pair. Prashanti, Sasidaran, it is 6. Correct? So 6 is nothing but sp3d2. sp3d2, Prashanti, it is nothing but octahedral. It is octahedral. And we have discussed this. Whenever you have octahedral shape, okay, first elements will go to equatorial bond. Yeah. In the TBP, it goes to axial bond. But in the octahedral, first it will go to equatorial bond. So how will I draw the octahedral? Look over here, Prashanti. XE, F, we have what? XCF4, correct? So XE, F, 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 and we have a, this is your square, and we have 2 lone pairs. So 1 lone pair at the top, 1 lone pair in the bottom. That makes 2 pyramids. So, okay, but Prashanti, this is our geometry. In the shape Sasidaran, we do not consider the lone pair. So I'll erase this lone pair. I'll erase the lone pair. So Prashanti, what we have got? Yeah, the shape is square planar. It is not pyramidal. Is it clear, Prashanti? Yeah. If for pyramidal, that is what I was saying. You require an extra element over here, no? Then only it can become pyramid. Yeah. So for the XCF4, we have got that is square planar. So 2, 1. Okay, so this is eliminated. This is eliminated. What is the C? Yes, Sarjana. XeO3. Yes, Sasidaran. For XeO3, Prashanti, calculate. XeO3. XeO3. Come on, go ahead, calculate. XeO3, Sarjana. Okay. Okay. Prashanti, okay, very good. Okay, so, okay, perfect, perfect. So hybridization we have got for XeO3, correct, Sarjana? Xe again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. Now for the oxygen, I will have oxygen, 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 and the lone pair. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 means sp3. sp3 is nothing but tetrahedral. So XeO3 is a tetrahedral, but do we have tetrahedral? No, we have pyramidal. So it will be like, how will your tetrahedral look like? Xe, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and a lone pair. This is how your pyramid look like. This is how your tetrahedral look like, correct? But for the geometry, Prashanti, we do not take the, for the shape, we do not consider the lone pair. So it is pyramidal. So we have C3. Where is C3? Sarjana, you told me D option. Yeah, C3 is D. Is it clear? Option D. Ah, so sorry, so sorry, so sorry. Yes, it is pyramidal. It is pyramidal. It is pyramidal. Okay. So XeO3. So C4. C4. Correct. Correct. Okay. Done. Is it clear, Prashanti, Sarjana? Is it clear? Yeah. Can we go to another question? Okay. Okay, look at this. This is NEET 2021 question. NEET 2021 question. I want your complete focus. Read it properly, one by one, line by line. Okay, read it properly. Good evening, Gopinath, Sindhuja. You are late. Turn on your camera, everyone. Anthony, am I audible now? Anthony?
Yes, sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Anthony, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir. Like somewhat glitch-like thing, sir. So I refreshed my system.
Okay, you refreshed your system and changed your system, or you
No,
gave
sir,
refreshing the system.
I gave a refresh to the system, sir.
Okay, I was joking. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, come on, do the question. Read it one by one, and always, Sasidharan, Sarjana, Sindhuja, always look at this. We always tend to still ignore this. Okay, incorrect statement, we go on. Oh, we got it. Oh, first statement is correct, that is answer, done. No, read the question twice, read the question properly. I'm warning you, because this has happened in each and every exam. At least one student read the questions incorrectly and give the wrong answer. Yeah, so that incorrect word is important, Anthony. Yeah, that incorrect word is important. Okay, chalo, read it. Noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. So over here we are talking about inertness towards reactivity. Okay, we are talking about reactivity. So according to that, incorrect statement. Noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Noble gases have very high melting point and boiling point. Noble gases have weak dispersion forces. Noble gases have positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Hmm. Very good, Sarshna. Very good, Sindhuja. I hope you all are not, see, do not search the question on the internet. Okay, you will get it, but it is of no use if you look on the internet and answer over here. Yeah, because ultimately, finally, you will have to answer it. Yeah, Sasidharan, what did you get it? Come on, those who have not got it, at least take a guess. Like, what will be the close by answer, so that you will know, if you take a guess, it will come correct or not. Okay, 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 okay. See, maximum time, if we take a guess, it is incorrect. Okay, so I'll never, suggest you to take a guess. See, when you have to take a guess. Okay, now I am telling you the strategy to answer your paper. Okay, Anthony, when you have to take a guess, okay, only go for those questions, okay, where you are eliminating at least two options. Okay, like first do all the questions, Sasidaran, that you know. Okay, this is correct, I know, you have done it correct, very good. Now in the second round, Anthony, go for those questions which you somewhat like, okay, I know this is incorrect, I have to choose between these two. Okay, so in the end, I see I'm not getting good marks, I'm not able to solve many questions. Okay, so I'm not getting good marks, so then go for the what we say, guesswork. But over here probability is 50-50. Do not go for guesswork if you do not know anything. Okay, where your probability is 25%, 100%, you are going to get it incorrect. Okay, so do not go for guesswork if you do not know anything from that question in the exam, I am saying. So over here, noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Yes, it is correct. Noble gases have large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. It is also correct. Why? Because their octet is stable. 8 electrons are already there. If you try to, if you try to ionize it, if you try to forcefully put electron into it, it is going to have very positive value. That means it requires very high energy. So even D is correct, that yes, it requires a large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Then B and C. Look over here. Noble gases have very high melting and boiling point. Okay. Now look over here. Anthony, Sashidaran. Noble gases. Okay. How they are aligned with each other? They are at place with each other with the help of weak dispersion forces. Why? Because they are unreactive. There is no force of attraction. They are stable. All the atoms are stable. Why will they have any force of attraction? Are you getting it? So but obviously to remain at one place, they have weak dispersion forces. So even C is correct. So hence, since it is weak dispersion forces, so if they are attached to each other by weak forces, since the octet is complete, they are unreactive, they do not want any force of attraction, hence they are attracted or they are at one place with weak dispersion force. So obviously, if I heat even it by slight, it will melt, it will boil, isn't it? So it has low melting and boiling point. B is incorrect. That's why that is your correct answer to this question. Is it clear? Anthony, Prashanti, Sashidaran, Sarjna, Sindhuja. Someone give me yes. Sashidaran, is it clear? Turn on your camera. Sashidaran, I am turning on your camera, giving you a warning before it. Okay. Because I have faced, I always give warning before turning on the camera, because I have seen things which I shouldn't see. Oh my god. Okay, but that's why I always give warning before turning on the camera. There was one session, one-on-one session. Okay, we have like a batch and we have one-on-one sessions. Okay, where student only interacts with teacher. Now you only imagine, like in one-on-one session, someone turns off his camera and he's studying. It is so like you do not feel like teaching only, that you have only a black space in front of you and you have to teach. So I asked the student, can I turn on your camera? He did not hear my question and he replied yes. So that yes meant it in a form of question. Okay, I took it that yes as an answer, that he told me that okay, turn on my camera. So I turned on this camera, and can you imagine, he was not wearing shirt. He was just sitting like that in the lecture. And as soon as I turn on the camera, he was like, I was like, who sits for the lecture without a shirt? Okay, like I understand that is you have turned off your camera, but who sits for a lecture like that? Like, isn't it like some teacher is teaching you? Imagine like 3 years back, you are in a physical class, like you will sit shirtless in a class. Yeah. So that's why from that time I was scared to see that. It was very horrible. Okay. And from that time I do not take any risks. So I always ask for permission or at least give a warning that okay, I'm turning on the camera. Okay. So it goes to you also. Do not give me such shocks, please. Okay. I have already got few shocks in my online teaching career like that. So do not give me any shocks. Okay. Such shocks that I will not be eat food after that. Yeah. Chalo. It's good that student end does not get recorded. If you have seen the recording, the student end does not get recorded. Only the teacher end gets recorded. Okay. Chalo. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next. Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Sure. Let us do this now. Now NEET 2017 question. Again an important question which was regularly coming in the exam. Okay. Come on, go ahead. Which of the following compounds or following are isoelectronic and isostructure? I hope Sindhuja, Sarjana, Anthony, you do know. Sasidaran, what is isoelectronic? Yeah, isoelectronic means, I'll give you a hint, Anthony. Isoelectronic means electron number is same. Okay, do not change the browser, by the way. Okay, I could see that. So isoelectronic means number of electrons are changed. Correct, Sasidaran. Again change the browser. Okay, again changed it. Yeah, I could see that. Okay, as I told you, I am pretty experienced in the online teaching, so I understand when someone changes the browser. Yeah, stay on the same page. Yeah. Okay, so isoelectronic means you have same number of electrons. Isostructure means structure is same, identical. Okay, come on, solve it. See, fine, even if you get it wrong. Why did I force you to get it right? But try to solve it yourself. If you do not get it right, I am there to help you. Okay, but do not copy. So Anthony, count the valence electrons. Okay, count the valence electrons. Okay, count the valence electron. Like I'll give you one hint. Be, Cl, Cl. Okay, so count the valence electron of this. You'll get the electrons. Okay, so check which pairs have the isoelectronic, and then go for isostructure. You never know, you may get answer in isoelectronic itself. Yeah. You may get answer in isoelectronic itself. Come on, try. Count the valence electron. Do you need any help in calculating the valence electrons? You can ask for hint. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll have one option, hint number 1 in every question. Okay. If you are not able to do it, you can ask for hint number 1. Hint, hint number 1 or answer 1 you are saying, Anthony. Hint. Okay. TE. Okay, TE. I know you are like confused with the TE. Where is TE, Anthony? Which group your TE belongs to? Yeah. TE, which group does it belong to? Sarjana, Sasidaran. Tellurium. Correct? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Okay, so valence electron for this, Anthony. Yes, it is 6. Okay. For tellurium, your valence electron is 6. That is a hint number 1. Come on now, try it. Do not change the browser and Anthony. Okay. Try. See, fine even if you get it wrong, but try. Isoelectronic. 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 Any answer? Sasidaran, Sarjana, any answer? Okay, chalo. So let us do this. Sajna, did you get any answer? C. Okay. Okay. Sajna has got one answer. So okay, we'll check with the C. Even I do not know the answer. Even I have to solve it. Okay. Let us start with C. Okay. So what we have, IBr 2 minus. Okay. And IBr 2 minus. Sorry, IBr 2 minus and XeF2. Correct. So Sasidharan, in iodine, how many valence electrons? Yeah. How many valence electrons in iodine? How many valence electrons in iodine? One. Valence electrons. Valency is different. Valence electrons are different. Okay. Always remember it is 7. Correct. 7. In the bromine, how many we have? The bromine, it is also 7. But how many bromines do we have? Yeah. How many bromines do we have? We have 2 bromines. So 7 plus 14. 7 plus 14 plus you have extra electron over here. Yeah, plus 1. So number is 6, 14 plus 6, 20, 21, 22. Correct. Similarly, XeF2, if I go for XeF2, how many valence electron in Xe? We know Xe is 8. Valence electron 7. So 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 8. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, it is isoelectronic. It is isoelectronic. But now, chalo, I have given you one hint. Draw the structure and check if it is isostructural or no. Sasidharan, come on. Do it with the help of VSCPR. Check if you get the same geometry or no. Sadhna, come on, try it. Sindhuja, try it. Good evening, Kirtini. You are late today. Anthony, come on, try it. Anthony, I hope isoelectronic, it is clear. They have the same number of electrons. They have same number of electrons. Now, come on, with the help of VSCPR, see if you get the same shape of the molecule. XeF2, we know we do not even have to calculate. Yeah, XeF2 is nothing but linear. Yeah, XeF2 is linear. I have given you hint. XeF2 is linear. So now check for IBr2 minus. Is it linear or no? If it is linear, that will be your answer. Correct? If it is linear, that will be your answer. Come on, check is IBr2 minus linear or no. See, if there are two elements attached to a single atom or two atoms attached to a single atom, two possibilities. One is linear, second is bent. I don't think so there is any third possibility. Yeah. What is the geometry that you have got? IBr2 minus, what is the bond pair plus lone pair? Bond pair plus lone pair, 11. 11. How is it even possible? 11. Is it? No. No. You are confusing the lone pairs. Lone pairs you have to take 2 as 1. Sasidharan. 2 electron means 1 lone pair. Yeah.
Sir, in for IBR2 price minus,
Uh-huh.
7 valencies sir, for I.
Uh-huh.
So also we are adding one that
Yes.
minus
That.
symbol also we are
So that
adding
is 8.
8
That
sir.
is 8.
And for bromine it is 2 into 7 14 sir.
Wait. For VSCPR, why you require bromine valence electron? Bromine, see, in the VSCPR, what do? We identify the central element, that is iodine over here, and we attach bonds accordingly, no? So I have added 8 electrons of iodine over here. Correct? I'll simply add bromine, and remaining are my lone pairs 1, 2, 3. So 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. Isn't it,
Right
Sashidharan?
sir.
Yeah?
Yes sir.
Getting it? Sarjana?
SP3D sir.
Yeah, it is sp3d. sp3d means what? Sarjana, Sasidaran, sp3d. Yeah, sp3d is, what is the geometry for sp3d? Anthony, Prashanthi, Sindhuja, what is the geometry for sp3d? Yeah, geometry, not asking about shape. Tell me at least geometry. sp3d, it is, forgot, sp3d. I told you to revise and come. It is TBP. And whenever you have TBP first elements, where does it get added? It gets added to axial bond. It gets added to axial bond. So I have XE over here. What? No, I have I have BR, I have BR. Yeah, axial bond. Then I have the lone pairs. One lone pair over here, one lone pair over here, one lone pair over here. Okay, so this makes a triangle. So it is a TBP structure. Okay, but the shape, Sashidharan, Sarjana, Sindhuja, the shape is what? The shape is linear because we do not consider lone pair in our shape. Is it clear? So answer C is correct. It is isoelectronic, it is isostructural. Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Sarjana, Sindhuja, Sashidharan, Anthony, is it clear? Okay, sure. Now this was about group 18. Let us move to group 17. So see, one VSCPR question definitely it is going to come. So you should be well prepared. Okay. Let us now move to group 17. Let us move to group 17. Okay. Okay. Sure. Your assertion, reason, and the statement type of question. Okay. Always come in the exam. NEET 22 question. So I need 21 question. Okay. Okay, we have done this. Now, Sarjana, no wrong answer this time. Okay, 4 to 5 times. Oh my God. 4 to 5 times you have given me wrong answer for this. Okay. Choose the correct answer below, which I have not given to you all. How smart. Just a minute. Let me give you the correct, incorrect statement. Okay, these are your options. These are your options. Question, option. So you have two statement, read the statement and tell me which is true, which is not. Or both are true, both are not. Come on, go through it, read it. Acid strength increases in the order. As the size of element increases down the group, the bond strength HI decreases. So acid strength increases. Okay. Yes, Sasidaran. Even I have discussed this question with you. You have asked me doubt also regarding this. Sindhuja, Anthony. What is an acid, Anthony? Sasidaran, what is an acid? Acid is something that gives you, yeah.
Sorry.
As
So
Sasidaran, what?
H plus is
Correct.
easily released by substance that is acid.
That is acid. Correct. And strong acid means easy H plus is given. So
Yes, sir.
HI, yes, it is a strong acid. Why? It is due to size. We have done this concept 7 to 8 times. It is due to size. Yeah. So HF, the size is almost equal. Yeah. HCl, the size of Cl is slight large. HBr, more larger. HI is like ant and elephant. Yeah. So obviously forget about electronegativity. Forget about every concept. If the size difference is so much, can H hold the iodine? Yeah. It cannot hold the iodine. So H will go easily. In HI, the H will go easily due to the difference in the size. So obviously the bond strength will be weak over there. Hence, your first is also true. Second is also true. And second is a correct explanation of the first if it was assertion and reason. Is it clear? Come on, give me yes or no. Sarjana, Sashidharan, Sindhuja, Anthony. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes, Sashidharan.
sir, can you explain again, sir?
Okay. Anthony, what did I tell you? What is an acid, Anthony? Acid is something that gives you H plus. Correct? Acid is something that gives you H. Okay. Now, what is a strong acid, Anthony? That strong acid means something that gives H plus easily. Something that gives you H plus easily. That is a strong acid. That H plus is gone easily. Okay. So, more easily H plus it can give, it is strong acid. Okay. So over here they have given you the acidic strength HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Anthony, according to them, HI is the strongest acid. And they have given that this reason is like why it is like that, because the size of halogens are increasing. That means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the size is increasing. Yeah, the size is increasing. Over here I have done a slight mistake. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Yeah. So over here, Anthony, as you go down the group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the size of element increases. So this is your H. So hydrogen and fluorine size is almost same. So it can hold it better. Okay, it can hold it better. Okay, so it will not go so easily. HCl, again, the Cl size little bit increases. Br, the size has increases by a large number. Iodine, it is like ant and elephant, very very huge size. So Anthony, can hydrogen hold iodine? Can your ant ever hold an elephant? Yeah, can your ant go for a walk with elephant?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
no, obviously. So obviously this H will break easily. That's why it is a strong acid, and that is exactly what given is in the statement 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So both statement 1 and statement 2 are true.
Correct,
Okay,
sir.
sure.
Yes.
Let us go ahead now. Do this. Okay, do this. Match the following. NEET 2019 question. NEET 2019 question. Come on, go ahead and do this. Come on, try. Match the following. Match the following. Come on, you should know at least Haber process. Huh? If you know the Haber process, you will get the answer. What do we prepare with the help of Haber process? Sashidharan, Anthony, Sarjana, Ragul, Sindhuja, Kirtini, yes, Gopinath. Correct. So what will be the answer? You have got your answer, Sashidharan, isn't it? You have got your answer. Yeah. Yes, Sarjana, Haber process. What do we prepare with the help of Haber process? Correct. With the help of Haber process, with the help of Haber process, we prepare ammonia. What is our Haber process? Haber process is N2. If I mix nitrogen, correct, Anthony, nitrogen plus hydrogen, I'll get the ammonia. That is my Haber process. So B is 3. So you have only one option where your B is 3. That is option C. Okay, let us check the other one. Pure nitrogen. How do you get it? Yes, you get it from sodium azide. What is azide? Azide is NaN3. N3 minus is your azide. Okay. So if you heat sodium azide, you will get the pure nitrogen. So yes, A4. Then contact process also we have seen. Yeah, the king of acids. Yeah, in the contact process, the king of acid, that is C2 sulfuric acid. Then in the Decons process, we prepare chlorine. Is it clear? Come on, give me yes or no, everyone. Is it clear? Okay, now NEET 2018 question. I'm not going to help you anything. You have to tell me the answer. Okay, sure. Sashidharan, Sarjana, expect answer for this. Very easy. Prashanti, Anthony. Now, Anthony, I want answer from you for this question. Very easy. Very, very, very easy. Come on. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, I was on mute. Okay, so there are VHA CLF3. What is according to VSEPR? What is the answer? Yes, Sasidaran. Do we have sp3d over there? I want the answer from ABCD. Anthony, you do not have to count them as 4 electrons. They have asked the lone pairs. Yeah, they have asked the lone pairs. They have asked the lone pairs, correct? It is 2. So chlorine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Fluorine. So 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair. Anthony, please do not write it 4 lone pairs. We have only 2 lone pairs. Okay, 4 electrons but 2 lone pairs.
Sir, got confused, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry,
If
sir.
they ask Anthony, if they ask the number of electrons in lone pairs, then it will be 4. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Confused, sir.
Okay. Sasidaran, please remember, Sarjana, if they ask number of electrons in lone pair, then it will be 4. Okay? You never know, they may, they may twist the words over there. Is it clear, Sarjana, Sasidaran? Yeah? Okay, now try this. Okay? These are your interhalogen compounds. Let me give you the geometry, just a minute. Okay, come on. Try this. See, whenever you have such questions, no, Sasidaran, Sarjana, Sindhuj, Anthony, you have to be smart enough. Check the option and see which you solve it, and you can, eliminate the options. You can eliminate the options if you check, C. If you solve C, okay, if you solve C, okay, if you solve C, you'll directly get your answer because 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is different. So you have to smart enough and select the option before solving. Is it clear, Sasidaran? Yeah? Sajna, is it clear? You have to be very smart before choosing the option which to solve. Do not sit and solve everything. First solve C, you'll get your answer. So, okay. Take any example if you want, no, if you get confused, take any example like you have ClF5, yeah? XX-5 can be your ClF5, isn't it? Solve the ClF5, you'll get the answer. These are your interhalogen compounds, yeah? These are your interhalogen compounds. That means both of the elements are your halogens, yeah? So X-5. Only thing is, Sasidaran, your X dash is the smaller element, the smaller atom, yeah? The smaller halogen. So solve for ClF5, you'll get your answer. Come on. Anthony, Prasanthi, Sarjana, expect this answer. Come on. Yes, Arjuna, Prashanti, Anthony, why you're not solving? Why you're not solving, Anthony? Solve for ClF5, no, you'll get your answer. Is it ClF5 that difficult? What is the shape of ClF5? Okay, you are confused. What is it for 7? Yeah? Are you getting 7 or 6? 6. 6. So what will be the shape? Oh. Sasidaran, what will be the shape for ClF5? Is it? Yeah, Sasidaran, will it be pentagonal bipyramidal? Is it? 6 is what? Octahedral, no? So when we do octahedral, first write all the elements on the equatorial bond, then you go to axial bond. Yeah? Yeah. Shashidhar, and how did you get pentagonal bipyramidal? PBP you get if your bond pair plus lone pair is 7. Okay, bond pair plus lone pair is 7. That's your XX7. Yeah. But over here, ClF5, how will I do it, Anthony? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fluorine and a lone pair. That makes us 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. That is your octahedral. That is your sp3d2. So sp3d2, that is octahedral. First we draw it on the equatorial bond. So I have Cl, F, 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 F. Then I have one more fluorine that will come over here. Then I have a lone pair that will come over here. So if I join this, Sasidharan, yeah, this is nothing but what? If I join this, square pyramidal. It is square pyramidal. So the answer, how did you say D? Yes, Sasidharan?
Sir, like I went with XX-3, it's linear.
Okay, XX-3 is linear, okay. But linear again, wait a minute. Linear XX-3, linear B3. Okay, oh, it is given, is XX-3 linear? Let us check. Suppose again I have ClF3. Sasidharan, what did you take for XX-3? You can take anything. Chalo, ClF3 I have taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. Okay. And how many lone pairs we have, Sasidharan? 1,
2
2.
lone pairs, sir.
So what is the number?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means sp3. Oh,
D.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sp3d. Okay. So they have, what they have given in B, they have given, it is as T shape. X, X, 3. Okay, so we have ClF3, sp3d, it is PBP. Options are incorrect. It should be linear. Okay. It should be linear. It should be linear. Yeah. So I have TBP. So first I'll draw it on axial. So I have Cl, F. Oh, no, 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 no. Sasidharan. No, no. Sasidharan, come on. Turn on your mic. Do we have ClF2? Sasidharan. Do we have ClF2? sp3d is what? Is TBP, correct? Yes or no, Sasidharan? sp3d is TBP, Sasidharan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have fluorine over here, correct? Sasidharan. Then I have a fluorine over here. I have one more fluorine, no. Fluorine, lone pair, lone pair. Yeah. Lone pair, we ignore it. So what did I got?
T shape.
Yeah. This, turn your face like this. Watch it like this. Yeah. What is that?
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So it is T shape. Okay. So it is not ClF2. It is ClF3. So it is correct. Anthony, what happened?
Sir, I couldn't understand that sp3d2 and this sp3d.
Anthony, how do we get sp3d and sp3d2? Is we add the bond pair plus lone pair, isn't it? We add, if I add bond pair plus lone pair over here, ClF5, I have 5 bond pair, Anthony, and 1 lone pair, isn't it? So 5 plus 1, the number is 6. Correct? 5 plus 1 number is 6. So Anthony, if my number is 2, maximum S can be 1, P can be 3, D can be 5. Okay? So if my number is 2, that means I have 1 S, 1 P. If my number is 3, I will have S, P, 1 more P, so 2. If my number is 4, it is S, P, 3. Now P4, it cannot exist because P is maximum till 3. So if my number is 5, next I have in line is D. So S, P, 3, D. Correct? So over here the number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 2 lone pair, 4 and 5. That's why sp3, D. If the number is 6, Anthony, sp3d, 1 more D, so D2. That is why over there sp3d2. Clear? Okay, and if the number is 7, it will be sp3d2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo everyone, Okay. Yes, I know, Anthony, you have got it. I am teaching you, I know. Okay. So let us take a break. It is 8. I want everyone of you back by 8 because you do not come on time. Okay. Back everyone by 8. Do not leave the session. We are going to solve more questions. Yes, are we back? Come on, back in the chat box. Are we back? Come on, turn on your cameras. Sasidaran, Kirtini, Anthony, Sajna, Prashanti. Are we back? Come on, back in the chat box. Sasidaran, Kirtini. Kirtini joined late today. What happened? Chalo. Everyone, let us begin. Come on. Wherever we completed this. Let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. Okay. Now most of the question have come from the same thing. Okay. Okay, try this. Among the following, which is the correct order of acidity? Which is the correct order of acidity? Yeah, we have discussed this also. We have discussed this also. Come on, turn on your cameras. Anthony. Okay, Anthony is back. Prashanti. Okay, Sasidaran. Come on. Among the following, the correct order of acidity. The correct order of acidity. We have discussed this also. Yeah, we have discussed this. Which can lose H plus more easily? Which can lose H plus more easily? Which can lose H plus easily? Yes. Come on, tell me. Yeah. What did we discuss? As the oxygen will increase, presence C, the acidity will also increase. Why? At the structure of, if I have HClO4, correct? The structure is like this. I have Cl, okay, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, OH. Correct? That is, now I have told you concept, then you are telling me answer. As the number of oxygen increases, acidity increases. Obviously, then it will be A in the order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is correct. But look over here. Why HClO4 is more strong acid? Yeah, can you tell me, Sarjana? Prashansky. Why HClO4 is stronger than HClO3? Yeah, we have discussed this. HClO3 is like this. Why? Why? Yeah, why? See, whenever you donate H plus, Prashansky, Sarjana, Sasidaran, whenever you donate H plus, Anthony, what charge do you get on the compound, Sarjana? Yeah, when you donate any H plus, question C, what charge does come on the exam on the compound? Is it positive or negative? Yeah, Anthony, is it positive or negative? When you donate a H plus, how it can be positive? H plus means what? You are leaving your electron behind. Yeah, H plus means what? Like for example, I have HCl. Okay, when H plus goes, what happens? This electrons is over here only, no? So you get a negative charge. Okay, so if I donate this H, Sarjana, Prashanti, what we have, Prashanti, you are not, are you doing something else? Why are you not replying? Okay, so I will have a negative charge over here, negative charge over here. So over here, negative charge can go into resonance with 4 oxygen. This can go over here, come over here. Again, same thing, same thing. Yeah, so this negative charge can go into resonance with 4 oxygens. Over here, only 3 oxygen. Resonance structure decreased. Hence, more the resonance structure, more is the acidity. Remember, more the resonance, more the stability, more the acidity. Is it clear? Sarjana, Prasanti, is it clear? Prasanti, am I audible to you? What are you doing? You're doing something else? Is it clear? Anthony,
So,
Sasidaran, did you get it?
sir, so HClO is weak than everything, sir.
Yeah, HClO will be last. Why? Because HClO is simply like this. I have ClOH. Okay, this is HClO. Okay, so if I donate the bond O minus, okay, it is like that. Okay, clear, Anthony? So if I have
Yes, sir.
negative charge, that can go into resonance with over here HClO4, 4 oxygen, 3 oxygen, like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
so let us go.
Thank you, sir.
Let us go to the next question. Next question. Okay, now let us look at the reactivity. If you remember it. Okay. Okay, so let us do this. Okay, this is also reaction. We have done it. Is it visible? Come on, give me yes or no. Sarjana, Prasanti, Sasidaran, is it visible? Okay. When chlorine gas reacts with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, the oxidation number changes. Okay, so what do I have? I have Cl2 reacting it with hot and concentrated NaOH. So when it reacts with hot and concentrated NaH, What do I get? I have told you last time also. I have Na, alkali metal, and the Cl. So one thing is definitely sure that I am going to get NaCl. I am going to get NaCl. Other thing that I get is NaClO3. NaClO3, and I have water. Now come on, I have told you the products also. Tell me what will be the answer. I have told you the product. Now look at the options and identify. Now it should be very easy. Come on. It should be very easy. I have told you the product. So now you should get it easily. Come on, tell me the answer and just give me a minute. Yes, what is the answer? Prashanti, Sarjana, Swasidan, did not get answer yet. Come on. What are we asking? We are asking about chlorine oxidation state. Is it that difficult? Is it that difficult? Yes, Prashanti. Is it that difficult? Sashidaran. Finding out the chlorine's oxidation state. Is it difficult that much? Anthony. Come on. It should not be difficult. Chlorine is what? Over here we know chlorine is 0. Okay, over here it is 0. That is given in all the options. Huh? Correct? What is the oxidation state over here, Anthony? Sodium is +1. Chlorine we are finding out. So X. Oxygen is -2. So 3 into -2, Anthony, it is -6. Is equal to 0. So X goes to over here. X stays over there. -6 becomes +6. +1 becomes -1. It is 5. Okay, so X is +5. That's it. You have got your answer. Yeah, you have got your answer, isn't it? X is +5. Okay, and over here it is +1 -1. That's why it is -1. That's why option is B. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no.
Sir, how
is it clear?
6 km, sir? Can you explain again, sir?
Okay, look over here, Anthony. What do we have? NaClO3. What is the charge on single oxygen, Anthony? What is the charge on single oxygen? It is
2, sir.
-2. Correct? It is -2. How many oxygen do we have, Anthony?
3, sir.
3. So 3 into -2 is how much?
6, sir.
Is it +6?
No, sir. -6, sir.
-6. The chlorine we are calculating. That's why X. Sodium is +1. It is 1. Okay? That is why it is -6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Let us go ahead. Okay, let us move to the next question. Next question. Okay. So now let's go to group 16. Yeah, we have not yet started group 16. Let us jump to group 16. Group 17 we have done enough. Let us jump to group 16. Yeah. Let us move to group 16. Okay, then just a minute. Okay, oxoacids. Okay, let us do this. Oxoacid. NEET 2020 question. NEET 2020 question. Come on, everyone, look on the screen. Which of the following oxoacid has O-O linkage? Which of the oxoacid has O-O linkage? Yeah, it is very simple and they are very smart. They have helped you so much in this. You should know this. You should know this. From the name itself, Sasidaran, you should get an idea. We have discussed this. Yes, Archana, look at the names. From the names, you should know this. Okay. Sasidaran says B. Okay, very good, Archana. Okay, look over here. Prashanti, Sasidaran, Anthony. Tell me name of this. What is this? H2O2. Anthony, what is H2O2? Yes, Sasidaran, what is H2O2? Sarjana, what is H2O2? Peroxide. Why? Okay, it is hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen because H2. Why do we call it as peroxide? Yeah? Sasidaran, why do we call it as peroxide? Sarjana, Prashanti, what is peroxide? Peroxide means what? Peroxide means we have O-O linkage. It is O-O link is peroxide. This is peroxide, isn't it? So look at the name. Yeah, only one name where you have peroxide. We have peroxo, isn't it? That is what exactly they have asked, the peroxide linkage. If the name was not given, that it would have been difficult. But they have given you the name also, isn't it? So H2S2O8 has peroxide linkage. So how do your structure looks like? H2S2O8. Look over here. H2SO4 is what? Is a simple sulfuric acid. So it is S double bond O double bond O OH OH. This is your sulfuric acid. Then you have peroxo disulfuric acid. That means what? I have oxygen oxygen linkage. Then to that I have sulfur, sulfur, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, OH. Come on, draw it. Peroxo disulfuric acid. Draw it. Come on. Draw it. Yeah. This is our peroxide linkage. This is our peroxide linkage. So we have oxygen, oxygen, peroxide. So that linkage itself, what do we call it? That linkage itself, we call it as a peroxide. And they have given you in the name. They have given you in the name, isn't it? If name was not given, then we can understand that you do not know the answer. But if the name is given, they have helped you so much that they have written peroxo over there. So there shouldn't be any confusion in this question. Is it clear? Sajna, Prashanti, Sasidaran, is it clear? Come on, give me yes or no in the chat box. Anthony, is it clear? Yeah, oxygen, oxygen means it is a peroxy linkage. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next. Let us move to the next. Okay. Okay, let us move to the next. Similarly, okay. Similarly, okay. Group 16. Okay, just a minute. Okay, similarly, look at this. Look at this now. NEET 2017 question. Look at this. In which of the structure we have S. In which of the structure we have S bond? Yeah. In which of the structure we have S bond? Yeah. So over here, so at least tell me the wrong answer from this. Okay, at least eliminate one option. I want you to eliminate at least one option from this. Can you eliminate any option? Tell me which option will you eliminate. Yeah. You should at least be able to eliminate one option from the last question we have done. Sashidharan, Anthony, Sarjana, Prashanti. You should be able to at least eliminate one option. S2O7. Why? Why did you eliminate that, Anthony? Yes, Sarjana. Can you eliminate any option? And give me reason why you have eliminated it. Why, Sashidharan? Okay. What was your last compound? Do you remember the formula for the last compound, Sashidharan?
Sir,
Do you remember the compound, the formula for last compound in the last question for peroxide disulfuric acid that we? Yeah, you have drawn the structure. Count the molecules, count the atoms, and tell me the formula. How many H we had, how many S we had, how many O we had. Presence T Sarjana. That's why I told you to write it down because it was going to help you in this question. HSO. How many HSO we had? Sarjana,
two
present.
two H,
Okay.
sir.
2H. Obviously.
2S,
Okay.
7 O's.
Shut up. It was O8. You have not drawn it. Sashidharan. Very bad. Okay. So if I donate this H, what will I get? S2O8 2 minus. That is what it is given over here. S2O8 2 minus. S2O8 2 minus. We have seen it is peroxy linkage, isn't it? So it is peroxy linkage. How do we get sulfur linkage? No, we do not have it. We have oxygen linkage. So let us at least eliminate this. Yes or no? Yeah. And then the correct answer for this is the one which is eliminated by Sashidharan. That is option B. Okay. Why? Look at the structure. Okay. Look at the structure. S4O6. S2O7 2 minus is a your oleum. In the oleum also you do not have oxygen, sulfur bond. You have your oxygen bond. Okay. Now over here, what we have S4O6. So S4O6 is something like this. SS. Okay. The sulfur is also has good catenation property like carbon. Okay. So SSS, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Okay. And remaining, how many oxygen are remaining? Any oxygen that is remaining? Yes. We have O minus, O minus. Yeah, this is the structure of our. Okay, just a minute. Did we extend it? No. S4O6 2 minus. S4O6 2 minus and S2O3 2 minus. S2O3 2 minus is like this. I have sulfur. Okay. Oxygen, 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 and the sulfur. Okay. Over here, this is continuously undergoing resonance. Okay. That is your S2O3 2 minus. S2O3 2 minus. Okay. Is it clear? Sashidharan, Prasanti, Sarjana. Come on, draw the structure. Structure 1, structure 2. Draw it. Next question is also on structure. Come on, draw it. Done? Come on, done, done in the chat box. Is it done? Sarjana, is it done? Anthony, okay. Let us go to the next. Now tell me this. Yeah, we have done it is in the contact process, the last step of preparing sulfuric acid. Yeah, last step. Yeah, come on, tell me this. NEET 2019 question. NEET 2019 question. NEET 2019 question. Identify the correct formula of oleum. Yeah, identify the correct formula of oleum. Identify the correct formula of oleum. Yes, correct. Sashidharan, yes, Arjuna, Prashanti, oleum is where your sulfuric acid gets absorbed, isn't it? Yeah? No, it is not H2SO4. H2SO4 is getting absorbed in that. No, H2SO4 is not there. Yeah, it is correct, Anthony. It is H2S2O7. Fuming, yes, fuming sulfuric acid. That is H2S2O7. Okay, that is only. If you hydrolyze it, if you add it in the water, you will get H2SO4 twice. Okay, you get H2SO4 twice. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, look at your faces. It looks so tired. Okay, everyone. I know I have given you only 5 minutes break. Okay, so take a 5-minute break. We'll continue after 5 minutes. Okay, go splash some water on your face and drink some water also. Okay, let's take a 5-minute break. We'll do more questions. Then the class assessment. Then the class is done. Okay, so take a break of 5 minutes. Then we'll begin. Okay. Chalo, come back, everyone. Come on, turn on your camera. Everyone back in the chat box. Anthony, Ragul, Sadhana, Sasidharan, Akhilesh, Prashanti, Gopinath, come on. Come back in the chat box. So let us go to the next question. Yeah, let's go to the next. Let us take some questions from group 15 also. Yeah, let us take some questions from group 15 also. Okay, sure. Let us do this now. I want you to answer this. Come on. Not that difficult. We have done this so many times. Again, see, as I told you, one question from the structure is definitely there in the exam. Every time one question from the structure do come in the exam, so you have to be well prepared for it. Come on. PCL5. First tell me what will be the geometry, what will be the shape. PCL5. Then check the option. First you have to find out the shape of the molecule, then you have to look at the options. Yeah, find out the shape of the molecule, then you have to look at the options. Shape of the molecules, then options. Shape of the molecule, and then the options. Come on. Shape of the molecule, then the option. Come on, tell me what is the shape. Yes, Sashidharan, Prashansky, Sarchna. What geometry are you getting? Okay. What geometry did you get, Anthony? What is the shape of the molecule? Yes, Arjuna, what did you get it? Prashansky, turning on the camera. What answer did you get, Sashidharan? Please remove that flap, Sashidharan. It is very irritating. Anthony, read the question properly. Sarjana, Sashidharan, read the question properly. As I told you, look at the word. Sarjana, what is this? What is this? Incorrect. You have to find out incorrect. So for that, first tell me what is the hybridization over here, Sashidharan. What is the geometry? Come on, tell me. Find out according to VACPR what will be the geometry. Ah, yes, Anthony, got it. What will be the geometry over here, Sashidharan, Sarjana, Prashansky? According to VACPR, what will be the geometry? Anthony, what will be the shape, geometry? Yes, Prashansky, what will be the shape and geometry over here? Sashidharan, Sarjana. Come on, solve it according to VACPR. Correct? Yes, Sashidharan, what did you get? Geometry? Tell me. Tell me the geometry. Yeah? The geometry. So we have, Sashidharan, we are not solving. So we have PCL5. So we have 5 valence electrons, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chlorine, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 means sp3d2. So geometry and shape is same because no lone pair is present. No Prashansky, it is not square pyramidal. sp3d. Okay, not d2, it is sp3d. Okay, it is sp3d. So sp3d means what? sp3d. It is EDP, correct? So P, Cl, Cl, correct? A triangle Cl, pyramid at the top, pyramid at the bottom, correct? Trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, so these are my axial angles, axial bonds. So what it is saying? Two axial PCl bond. Yes, we have two axial PCl bond. They are at angle 180. Correct? If I have this angle, this is 180, isn't it? Yes, Arjuna, this is nothing but 180. So this is correct statement, but incorrect answer. Okay, hence PCl bond are longer than the equatorial bond. Yes, remember this. Write it down over there in the TBP. That is why. That is why we draw the axial bond first. Okay, so axial PCl bonds are larger than the equatorial bonds. Okay, write it down. Axial PCl bonds are larger than the equatorial bond. Yes, it is true. Okay, then what do we have? PCl5 molecule is non-reactive, is it? No, PCl5, we have reactions. We have reactions of PCl5, isn't it? It is PCl5 is a chlorinating agent. It is chlorinating agent. Please remember this. So it is not a non-reactive. It is a reactive molecule. So it is a chlorinating agent. Yeah. Three equatorial bond PCl make angle 120 degrees. So yes, it is a triangle. Yeah, it is a triangle. These are the equatorial bonds. Yeah, and it makes, yes, it makes 120-degree angle. Yeah. Sarjana, Prashansky, Sashidharan, is it clear? That's why the answer is C. The answer is C. Okay. Next. Let's move to the next. Okay. Now go on to this. Some of the question you may find it in weekly test also this time. Okay. And please attend the weekly test. Do not leave it. Yes, Prashanti, Sarjana, come on, calculate it. Not that difficult. Very easy question. Yes, Sashidharan, expect your correct answer. Come on, a very easy question. Come on, last two questions, then we will stop it. Okay? Last one or two questions. Come on, give your focus and tell me the answer. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, Anthony. Increasing or what is it written? Decreasing order. Oh, okay. So it can confuse you a little bit. It can confuse you a little bit. Yeah. So remember, decreasing order means it is arrows are like this. Okay. Arrows are like this. Okay. From increasing to decreasing. Yeah. So if you get confused in that, then remember the arrows are like this. Yeah. Okay. Prashanti, what is your answer? Come on, tell me. Sashidharan, what is your answer for this? Oxidation state. Come on, not that difficult. Find it out. Okay. Okay. So what do we have? HNO3. Prashanti, what did you get for N over here? Yeah. What did you get for N over here? HNO3. Now you are solving. You told me answer, Prashanti. See, do not Google it. I'm again telling you. Yeah, nitrogen is it plus 4? No. See, you have not done it. So nitrogen is X, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is minus 2 into 3, minus 6 is equal to 0. So X goes to 6 minus 1, it is 5. Correct? Then we have NH4Cl, then we have, okay, let us solve C. You have given answer as C. No, what will be for NO? Yeah, what will be over here? X minus 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 2. Correct? So plus 5 plus 2. Then we have N2. N2 is diatomic. So obviously it will be 0. So if you ever get confused why it is 0, because we are finding it for N and we are considering N as X. So 2X is equal to 0. So X is equal to 0. Okay. So N2 is 0. Then what we have? NH4Cl. What did you get for this? Sasidaran, Sarjana, Prashanti, Ragul. What did you get it for this? Yeah, what did you get it for this? Is it minus 3 or minus 5? X plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So plus 4 goes that side, minus 4 plus 1. Yeah, minus 4 plus 1. That is minus 3, isn't it? Plus minus minus. Yeah, do not get confused. 4 minus 1 is 3, goes that side, becomes minus 3. It is minus 3. But anyhow, it will be, first we have plus 5, plus 2, 0 and minus 3. Okay, so that is the correct order. So answer C is correct. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay, now do this last one, then we'll do the class assessment. The last one. Okay, last question. Last question from group 15. Okay, come on, do this. Which of the following has a maximum bond angle? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Tell me hybridization for all of those. Okay, I'll tell you the answer. Tell me hybridization for all of those. Okay, hybridization, is it sp, sp2, sp3 according to VSEPR? Tell me the hybridization. Come on, go ahead. Or over here, I don't think so VSEPR should be used. But try, you can try. So over here VSEPR we cannot use. For NO2, okay, I'll tell you. For N double bond O double bond O. Okay, N double bond O, N double bond O. Okay, then we have NO2. This is SP. Okay, NO2 is SP. NO2 minus according to VSEPR you'll get it as SP2. Okay, NO2 plus according to VSEPR you'll get it SP. Okay, then over here NO3 minus according to VSEPR you'll get SP2. Okay, SP2. Okay, now over here remember this. Okay, this SP. Okay, this is not exactly linear. Okay, NO, due to two oxygens over here, what happens? There is no charge. This exactly is not linear. What do we want? We want the maximum bond angle. Okay, so bond angle for the C, okay, it is actually 180 degrees because it is SP. It is linear. Okay, it is linear. That's why it is C. But remember this. This is NO2 is not exactly linear. Due to repulsion, slight changes there. That's why it is not linear. Okay. The correct answer for this C, you have to find out the hybridization and you will get your bond angle. Okay. Okay. Sure. Let us do the class assessment. Everyone, just give me a minute. Let me assign the class assessment. Just give me a minute. Okay, class assessment is pretty easy today.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah. Who's
Sir,
this?
the previous, yes,
Ah,
sir. Sir, the previous question you have, you wrote for NO2,
ah,
it is sp hybridization.
ah, ah.
But for NO2, there will be sp2, no, sir.
sp2 for NO2. Nitrogen is what? Nitrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now look over here. So according to VACPR, can we apply VACPR over here? Yeah. Can we apply VACPR over here? Yeah. Can we apply VACPR over here?
No, sir.
Actually, NO2, yes, you are correct. It should be sp2. It should be sp2. It should be sp2. But actually, we cannot apply VACPR over here because if I count oxygen, oxygen, I have extra electron over here. Okay. So, what is this extra electron? Do you know? It is like this. Your NO2 structure is like this, Prashanti. N double bond O, O minus. Okay. It is like this. Okay. That's why there is an extra electron. But yes, correct, Sarjana, it is sp2. Okay, it is sp2. Yeah. So sp is the correct answer. Correct. Okay. Just give me a
Sir,
minute. Let me assign the class assessments.
sir,
Yes, Rasidaran.
sir, Anthony, sir.
Anthony. Yeah. Come on.
Sir, can you explain how that is 180 degrees, sir?
Just a minute. Let me assign the class assessment. Just a minute, Anthony.
Okay, sir, sure, sir.
Okay, Anthony. Look over here. How it is 180 degree. Yeah. Look over here. SP means what, Anthony? SP, what is the geometry for SP? Whenever you have SP hybridization, the geometry is linear. Okay, linear means you have nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen in a straight line. Yeah, nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen in a straight line. So whenever you have something in straight line, Anthony, A, B, B, okay, what is this angle? Yeah, what is this angle? Yeah, full circle is 360 degree. Yeah, so this angle is 180 degree. That's why SP is 180 degree. Okay, Anthony.